guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video we are installing this V-part wig. It is from UNICE Hair. The hair is a 22-inch body width V-part wig, and again it is from UNICE Hair. I went ahead and washed the hair, and you're just seeing me blow dry it because it had a really weird fish smell. I don't know, so I just went ahead and washed the hair just to get rid of the smell. I went in with some bio silk and some heat protectant spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. So to install the wig, I just did a little mess on my head. I braided everything down, I parted the V, and I left a little bit of hair in the front, just like you guys are seeing me do in the video. And I just went ahead and installed the clip. This was super easy, literally took me no longer than 10 minutes to do. I am 4C, so I have 4C natural hair, so the hair didn't blend very well, but I tried to blend it as best as I could. So just to make the blend more seamless, I just went in with a flat iron. I did straighten out my hair. Like I said, I'm natural, I do not use relaxers, but I went ahead to make this just look semi real. I had to straighten my hair, and then I went in with a flat iron and some wax stick. I did minimum baby hairs, literally just a little bit, just to try to make it a little bit more natural. Really, my edges are sparse, like I don't have a lot of edges, so I really didn't have much to work with. And this was just simple. I was just going out to grab drinks with a friend, so I really didn't feel like I needed to do a lot. This is the finished look, you guys. The hair quality is awesome. Besides the little smell, that was about it. I definitely wish I had gotten like a 4C kinky and curly texture, but that's my fault. Besides that, I love the hair, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.